Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. This is Ravi. In this video, I would like to explain about HLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. In the previous videos, we have seen about vlookup, vertical lookup function in Microsoft Excel. In this video, let us discuss about HLOOKUP function. If you want to see the vlookup function, I have given in the description, you can watch. Now let us see what is HLOOKUP function. HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup. Horizontal lookup means here, for example, you observe, here I have taken a data which is of marks of the students and the totals. Suppose I want to see the marks of Jagruti. Okay, suppose here I am giving social. You observe here, automatically it is displaying 86. That means Jagruti social. See here 86. For example, I am giving science. See, automatically it is displaying 84. So what happens here means, so whenever I give the subject, first of all, this HLOOKUP function will search for this particular column computer. After that, which row Jagruti means this row. So it will search this one and display this marks. Okay. Now let us see the HLOOKUP function formula, how it will work step by step. But before going to that, a small request, those who are visiting first time to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. And for my latest update videos, press on that bell icon also. Now let us see the concept HLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. See here, HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup. That means here, so we look the values horizontally. So now let us see how it will work. First of all, we have to give the formula is equal to type HL, automatically display HLOOKUP. Just type the tab button in the keyboard, right. You observe the formula here. First it is asking lookup value. Lookup value means, so which value you want to take, and from that value, which values you want to see. That means lookup value means which value you want to take. For example, here I want to take maths. I want to see the maths marks, okay, of the student. So that's why I'm taking this one as the lookup value, comma. After that, it is asking for table array. For this, you select complete table. From this table only, we are taking the marks, okay. Okay, table array means just select the complete table here. After that, again give comma and row index number. That means, okay, I want to see the maths marks of which student. For example, Prathamesh. Okay, here row index number it is asking. Prathamesh means Prathamesh row is number. That means Prathamesh row's number. See here, name is first, Aishu second row, Piyush third, Siddhi fourth, Prathamesh fifth. So that's why here we have to type fifth row. Row index number means, after that again comma and just give 0, bracket close, enter. See here it is displaying. So Prathamesh in maths he got 82 marks. Okay, and if we want to see the, for example, next student Suyash marks means, again in the formula we have to change the row index number as 6. Why? Because this is 5 means this is 6. If we want to see Jagruti means, again we have to enter the formula. In that formula we have to change the row number as 7. Okay, right. Here I want to tell you one more scenario. What is that means? In this cell I will give the lookup value. Lookup value is nothing but I will give the subject names, and in this cell it has to display that particular subject marks. Here I will give the subject name, it has to display the marks here. How it is? So the simple thing is, we have to take the lookup value as this cell. See here is equal to H lookup. Okay, here lookup value. So lookup value, here I want to give the values like maths, computer science. That's why we have to take the lookup value, this one. Just click here, that's it, comma. After that it is asking for table array. So table array means just select all the complete table. After that again comma, row index number. Okay, so which student marks you want. Okay, for example, here Sakshi. Okay, right. Sakshi means the number of the row. So from here we have selected, so from here we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here just you type 8, comma again. After that 0. Shift bracket close and enter. See here. Observe here. Suppose we want the Sakshi marks, na? So why? Because we have given that particular row index number Sakshi number. So whenever I type here computer, you observe here and just click outside, automatically displays the computer marks. See here. Suppose if I type here maths and click outside, automatically that Sakshi maths marks will be displayed here. See here. Sakshi maths 76. Suppose if I type here English, just click outside, automatically displays the English marks also, right? And the third one is I want like this. That means here name, here this drop down list, okay, and marks here. How it is? So first of all we have to type here the student name, which student marks you want like this. So for example Sanskriti. Okay, Sanskriti. First type the name. Okay, right. After that, here we want the list like this, drop down list one. So for that, keep the cursor here. After that, click on data tab. In data tab, we have data tools group is there. In data tools group, just click here, click on data validation. Okay, so whenever you click on data validation, it displays data validation dialog box. Here, one option is there, allow. Click on this drop down arrow button. In the allow, just select a list. Okay, after selecting the list, keep the cursor here in this box, source box. After that, you select the list. Which list we want? Subject name list. Subject name list means from here the subjects are there. Just select this subjects up to here and click on OK. You observe here, automatically that list has came here. After that, here marks. Okay, the procedure is same. Here we want the marks and here we want the already subject names are there. So here we want to display the marks. Same formula is equal to HLOOKUP. Just press tab button. It is asking for lookup value. So here we are giving the marks now. So just click here for lookup value. Here we are giving the subject name. That's why I have taken this as the lookup value. After that, table array means just select all the contents of this table here. After that, comma, row index number. So row index number means, for example, here which student we are taking? Sanskriti. So what is the row number of this Sanskriti? See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here just type 9, comma, and give 0. Okay, close bracket and enter. Now you observe, just I am giving here, this is the drop down list came here. Suppose I want the Sanskriti, I have typed here already. Social marks, see here, automatically it is displaying. Sanskriti, social marks 76. If I give here science means it is displaying science marks. Okay, select this one, just I am giving bold and the font size is I am increasing 14. Okay, for all this, for this two I am giving the color, this color. Okay, and for this one I am filling with this color. You observe now, see here, English means English marks displaying. Okay, see here, social means social marks. So in this way, this HLOOKUP function formula will work. I hope you understand clearly. If you feel in this video it is having good content means give a like. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video.